Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix UEFI partitions in Windows 11. So if you encounter problems with the UEFI partitions such as boot issues, installation error, or system recovery problems in Windows 11, you can just follow these steps to fix the partitions and restore the system ability to boot correctly. So the first method, you can use automatic repair tools. So Windows 11 comes with an automatic repair tools that can often fix issues with the UEFI partition. So you can just restart your computer. You can click on the Windows power button and choose to restart. Okay. Here I'm going to just tell you the step because I cannot show you while the screen is off. After that, you can just press on F8 or F12 or the relevant key to open the boot menu. Select the Windows 11 installation media, USB or DVD if available, and choose repair your computer from the options on the Windows setup screen. You can select troubleshoot, advanced options, and startup repair. And after that, just let Windows automatically diagnose and fix any boot related issue, including the UEFI partition errors. So, automatic repair might resolve the UEFI issue and fix a boot problem. The second method, you can just reboot the BCD, boot configurations data. A corrupted BCD can cause boot issues with the UEFI partition. So you can just boot into the Windows recovery environment. You can use installation media if necessary and then select troubleshoot and advanced options command prompt, and in the command prompt you can just type the following commands one by one. Okay, this one's right here. You can just type this one by one, and after that restart your system after completing these commands, and this will reboot the BCD and fix issue with the UEFI boot process. And the next method, you can check and fix UEFI partition using this part. You can manually check and repair the UEFI partitions using this part. So just boot into the Windows recovery environment again, select troubleshoot, advanced options, and command prompt. And after that, you can just type this part and enter to open the this part utility. And you can just type on the following commands. This one's right here. After that, you can just restart your system and check if the issue is resolved. And the next method, the last method, is you can just reset the BIOS or the UEFI settings to default. If the UEFI partitions is still not functioning correctly, you can try resetting your BIOS settings to the default. So just restart your PC and enter the BIOS settings and look for an options like load default settings or restored defaults and apply it. Save and exit, and then try to booting your system again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.